Are you a team player?
I was thinking recently about my hobbies, and I noticed that all of them didn't involve anyone else.
What do you mean?
None of them involves a team. It only involves me.
For instance,
Well, I play tennis and chess. I also enjoy surfing and snowboarding, and I also like to go cycling.
so you don't like playing team sports?
Think so. I like doing things by myself.
Have you ever played a team sport?
I did play soccer once in junior high, but I didn't enjoy it. Half the time I was just waiting for something to do.
So you're not a team player?
I guess I'm not. I just love the feeling of doing something by myself and getting fully involved. How about you?
I'm the opposite. I like being in a team. There's a sense of camaraderie and bonding. I like that team spirit. I don't think I could play a sport or do a hobby by myself. I'd find it too boring and lonely.
We're like the polar opposite of each other.
I know, right? So weird.
You look sad. Is everything all right?
I'm all right. Don't worry about it.
Look, you always say that. Whenever you have that look, you're not okay. Tell me what's bugging you.
I said I'm okay.
Look, I know you well enough to know when something is bothering you. You're not good at expressing yourself, so just tell me.
Well, that's easy for you to say. You're so extroverted and open with your emotions. I'm just not like you.
Okay, I'm sorry. Is there something that's bothering you? I'm your friend, you know. You can trust me.
Well, there's this girl at school I'm kind of interested in.
Who? Tell me, tell me!
Calm down, would you?
My bad, just continue.
Yeah, so there's this girl I like. She sits in my science class next to me. We started chatting throughout the semester, doing homework together and so on. To make a long story short, I think I have feelings for her.
That's great. Good for you. If you like her so much, why don't you ask her out?
Well, that's the thing. I don't know if she likes me or not. What should I do?
How strong are your feelings for her?
Pretty strong, I guess.
Then maybe you should ask her out. What's the worst thing that could happen?
She could reject me.
Exactly, it's only rejection.
But you know how difficult it is for me to share my feelings.
I know, but it's the only way to find out. By the way, is she pretty?
See for yourself. This is her Instagram page. What do you think?
Holy moly McFly, she's stunning. Come to think of it, I don't know.
Huh? What did you mean you don't know?
If she's this pretty, then a lot of guys will be interested in her as well.
Yeah, I know.
So this is what I'll do. As a good friend, how about you give me her number? And I'll find out for you if she has any feelings for you.
Okay.
You can trust me.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share our videos. Okay, see you next time. Bye.